Down here, Adventures This Way, I just had my first ride with my Finntrail gear. It's the Finntrail Mudrider. Let's have a look on the inside. We got some dirt coming up there. Barely anything under here. Barely anything. I went through some stuff today. Did I ever go through some stuff today? Yeah, we went through some good stuff today. It was muddy. Oh man, there's a lot of friggin' mud in this. Holy. It was wet. It was raining down on me. First impressions, it's A1. It's A1. Little learning curve on where all the pockets are and everything like that. But I have to say I'm very comfortable right now. I just got back, loaded up my machine here, and I'm still wearing my pants and my boots and everything. I'm not in a hurry to take it off because I'm comfortable. I'm not hot. I'm not wet. I feel good. So it's pretty darn good first impressions. It's quality stuff. It does what they say it's gonna do. That was friggin' awesome, boys. Holy! That's all I gotta say about that. Cheers.